Hey everyone, once again, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be so special because I have brought with you a video regarding different ways to say good, bad, happy, and sad. Saying good, bad, happy, sad has become a part of our old vocabulary, and these seems to be so boring. So stay tuned with me in this video to learn about different ways in which these words can be used. So let's dive into the video. So here comes our first word, which is good. I have brought you the four ways in which this word can be used. Obviously, the meaning of all these four words is good. So let's come up on their usage. First, splendid. For example, you can say, his house is so splendid. Second, valuable. My pen is really valuable to me. Fourth, marvelous. Instead of saying a very good morning, you can say a very marvelous morning. Fourth, breathtaking. This can be used when you're talking about some views. For example, you can say, I visited Nainital and the view of Nainital was breathtaking, instead of saying it was really good. So now here comes a second word, which is bad. So the first is unacceptable. For example, you did a work which is really bad, and your teacher would say you did a very unacceptable work. Second, trashy. Your room is so bad. It can be used like your room is so trashy. Third, awful. Something which appears to be really bad, you can say your dress looks awful on you. Fourth, rotten. For example, the mango that your mother gave you to eat was bad. You can say this mango is rotten. So now here comes a third word, which is happy. First, delighted. So when you are so happy, so you can say today I'm so delighted. Second, thrilled. When you enjoyed a party, then you can say this party was a thrilling party, which means you find yourself to be in the happiest party. Third, contented. When you think you are happy with what you have, you can say, I'm contented with what I have. Fourth, overjoyed. When you overjoyed something, which means you feel happy. So you can say, I really overjoyed that party. So now here comes a fourth and the last word, which is sad. It can also be used in different ways. First, gloomy. I am feeling gloomy today. Do not disturb me. Grim can also be used in the same context. Third, to feel blue. When the teacher punished her, she felt blue. Fourth, regretful. It can be used when you want to regret something, or it can be used alone as a word regret rather than saying regretful. For example, one should make choices carefully in life so that one never need to regret those choices. So I hope the information that I have shared with you today regarding these different words is really helpful and beneficial. And what we have noticed in these four words is that these four words have different synonyms. And remember, these synonyms can not be used in same. For example, taking this example of sad, gloomy and grim can be used when you are saying I am feeling grim, I am feeling sad. All right, but regret cannot be used in the way that I am feeling sad. It can only be used when you have to regret something. Remember that each and every word is used in the different context. So whenever you're using them in sentences, make sure that you use them in the correct context. Thanks for watching.